Welcome to Nyam Nyam Scary Pumpkin Face Cake. Ooh, delicious. All you need is a cake, of course, and buttercream and fondant icing. And one very important ingredient too, a piece of stencil paper. That's right, we're going to draw out evil eyes and evil mouth on this and cut them out. Get choppy with your scissors. Meanwhile, you can get your vanilla cake or whichever cake you prefer and layer it with buttercream icing. We're using orange to look like a pumpkin. Piping it on through a food piping bag, or if you don't have one, just use a plain food storage bag and then snip the end off. Makes it easier to coat your cake in buttercream icing. Smooth it over with a spatula or flat knife. There we go. Ready to add some black buttercream icing onto one side of your cake. That's where you're going to stick on your stencil paper facial features. The mouth goes on first, and then the eyes. Carefully placing them using tweezers. Right, now we're going to cover that in orange buttercream icing to hide what we have done. Smooth that over, and using a thin stick, maybe a cocktail stick, you can find out where those bits are stuck and just peel them off like so to reveal your black buttercream icing as facial features. Brilliant, isn't it? Just a few finishing touches to perfect. Now, using a food piping bag with serrated edges, we're going to decorate the top of our cake with orange buttercream icing and add some fondant eyes. Here's some we made earlier using white fondant icing and black fondant icing. You can place them on using tweezers and a few sprinkles. And there you have it, a scary pumpkin face cake. Trick or treat!